Hello, my name is Gabor, the founder of the ENVIENTA project. Let me introduce ourselves and the problems we would like to solve in a nutshell.
ENVIENTA is more than an idea. We started our project 4 years ago with the purpose of solving supply and demand issues with a holistic approach. We have an innovative community behind us with groundbreaking ideas and blueprints of open source hardware. All they need is a prototyping and manufacturing capacity, which you can find actually in makerspaces nearby. To connect these dots, we created a platform where innovative makers can meet with investors and manufacturers with consumers. Why they choose ENVIENTA? Because the global demand is served by local circular economies. Designers can start unique projects or make it open source, allowing others to improve further. The platform reduces the cost of research and development, transport, logistics, and marketing. And finally, ENVIENTA allows anyone to produce small series, recyclable, unique products with longer lifetime instead of wasteful mass production and environmental damage. ENV token is the main platform token and will also be a registered security token in Malta. ENV tokens sold during the private and public pre-sale up to $3 million USD can also be exchanged for equity. ENVIENTA is also using non-fungible tokens. ERC 1155 standard tokens are divisible. So these are ideal to represent shares in a project on the platform. The core of our platform is a startup incubator for cloud manufacturing. You can easily start with an idea, inviting others to collaborate and working on groundbreaking innovations with the help of your growing community. If you need investments for designing and prototyping, deal with market research and the acquisition of funds in one step and start your campaign with a click. You can allow others to join the open source development at any time, so get them on board to put your project on the next level. Get funding, working on the next version of your product, and the cycle goes over and over again. At any point, manufacturers can access to the blueprints of your product and sell it through the marketplace in any part of the world. If an end product sold, the manufacturer pays a license fee with ENV tokens for the project. Projects requiring financing can also wrap their project or product in a non-fungible token. These NFTs can then be purchased using the ENV token, allowing the project to crowd-finance in a fully transparent and controllable way. The platform is up and running since July 2018, and the marketplace started in September in test mode. During that time, we are collaborating with universities in Colombia, South Africa, and India to involve students, using the platform as a storage for blueprints of innovations made in their internship period. The platform-based production and distribution will start before the end of this year with the help of local manufacturers and makerspaces in Europe. Until March 2019, partnering with startup incubators from Japan, Hungary, and the Netherlands, we began to use the platform beta for onboarding startups, guiding them through not just the prototyping but the fundraising process, where as an investor you can start to think about your investment opportunities. We are planning to launch the mobile applications next summer. Then before the end of the next year, we build a token ecosystem around ongoing activities using the Ethereum network. About the implementation and the investment strategy, basically we divide it into 5 phases. First, we are building the platform and a well-scalable network for cloud manufacturing at the same time. It is ongoing right now. Then we are about to establish innovation hubs and makerspaces. It takes more time and effort, but along with the education program as a service, it serves as a stable backbone, the physical infrastructure of what we call the ENVIENTA framework. Finally, we'll allocate a budget for establishing additional innovation hubs with partners, supporting software and hardware projects and related products. We are mostly focusing on investments in related areas like smart homes, smart gardens, renewables, robotics, nanotechnology, and 3D printing. But we are open to discover new innovations, merging exponential technologies from healthcare and synthetic biology to robotics and AI that are serving the ENVIENTA cosmolocalization model and ensuring supply and demand on the platform. Finally, let's see the financial forecast. It's not easy to predict these days how the world will look like in just 2 or 3 years from now, but adapting ourselves to the accelerating changes and major trends Our forecast is about a stable growth in terms of innovative open source projects meet with consumer needs, manufacturers seeking to find new products to deliver, and investors looking for even more exciting opportunities for their returns. The platform revenue is based on two sources: the transaction fees or costs during crowd investment, and of course the product sales on the marketplace. The token volume is an extrapolation of our revenue forecast, and the return of investment is a calculation based on forecasts versus the cost. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, just ask on our Telegram channel. In the meantime, check our white paper for details and the website for updates.